Hello and welcome. Dyeverse Designs here, aka Living for the Better Good of All, sending you that positive energy. Today's video, my first attempt at tie-dyeing a dress. Nice beach dress, we're gonna have some fun. Come on in and check it out. Okay, so we start as always pre-soaked in soda ash. Fold it just like a normal t-shirt you would, using your center points. If you have any extra string, you just leave that draped off to the side and you just tie it along the side like I am right there. We're going to do a basic V pattern on this, spacing them out about every 6 inches. Then I use my protractor to get my angles for the V. I use about 60 to 65 degree angles. For the top half, I just want to try to do each individual section, and I tie off with rubber bands the excess. Line up my line nice and straight, and then apply my twine or string. I'm going to repeat that pattern for probably the first 2 or 3 lines. Stretching the material back out and starting that next section by itself. That'll give the top half a different effect for each of the 3 segments. Now for the remainder, I'm going to do what I call radiating pleats. They're pleats that go down the full length of the item. And this gives kind of like a radiating kind of effect toward the end. So the whole bottom half, I'm hoping will have like a flare effect. Guess we'll find out in the end. And again, just using rubber bands to tie off the loose sections. I started off with a new emerald green at the top. I followed that up with a chartreuse, palomino gold, and golden brown. Back to chartreuse to lighten the golden brown. Then kingfisher blue complements it real nice. We're going to put a second section down a little lower of that. Then I'm coming in with some lemon yellow, so a really bright yellow to mix with that darker kingfisher blue. And back again with the new emerald green. This was actually called celadon, a very light green, followed by the golden brown again, palomino gold, and chartreuse. Back to the kingfisher blue and the lemon yellow. That'll give us a nice green. Lighter green, and then we have the new emerald green on the other side of it for a darker green. And then we're going to put some more of that kingfisher blue and the lemon yellow. And then this is some more seafoam green followed by new emerald green. We pop some ice on it. After a couple hours, I rinse it, wash it in Synthropol textile detergent and iron it, and we'll come back, and here we are for the final result. I was going for something that could cross either for something very Caribbean beachy all the way to something like an African Serengeti kind of thing. I was real happy with the results. I like the lace down there, that bluish lace. That's a nice effect in the dress. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I We'll show you a picture of the finished product so that you can kind of get an idea of the entire outfit. And there it is, the final result. Again, you know, I was real happy with it. The colors came out real nice. Hope you enjoyed it too. This is Dyeverse Designs, aka Living for the Better Good of All, and I hope you are too.